Hello, so ito reading natin for the sign of Virgo. Take only what resonates, guys. Bali, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat, unfortunately. Hindi ko makukuha lahat ng energy ng Virgo sa mundo. Pero okay lang yun, may mga next readings pa naman tayo. So, sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, guys, subscribe na lang kayo. Hit the notification bell. Ma-appreciate ko lahat ng likes, comments, and share. If you want to book a personal reading, doon na lang po sa aming Facebook page, Madam P, Madam Space P. Para mas madali mo siyang ma-search, maglagay ka na lang ng hashtag. O i-search mo na lang yung hashtag Madam PTV. Yan pwede. Lagyan mo na TV sa dulo. Para lumabas siya sa Facebook. Pag di ka makapag-message, comment ka sa pinaka-profile picture. Kami yung magme-message sa'yo. May admin ako mag-a-assist sa'yo. Anyway, this is your reading, Virgo. May discount tayo hanggang mag-end yung March, ha? 20% discount sa mga readings. Virgo, main energy. King of Spade at saka Five of Spade. Ay, nakukuha natin yung energy mo ngayon na parang hindi ka ganun ka-okay. May mga kinai-stressan ka, kinalulungkutan ka, nasasaktan ka ngayon. Yeah, maybe some sort of ending ang pinagdaanan mo or pinagdadaanan mo kasalukuyan. The Queen of Clover is here. Magaling ka mag-advise. I can see that. But sometimes, magaling ka mag-advise pero the problem is pwedeng pagdating sa sarili mo, pwedeng hindi mo yun may apply or hindi ka ganun kagaling sa pag-handle ng sitwasyon pagdating sa sarili mo. Sino yung person na nakakonect ni Virgo? Okay, person na nakakonect ni Virgo. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Okay, do have here the Two of Spade and the King of Hearts. Nakikita natin yung pagdidesisyon dito sa person na to. I feel like there's a lot of love with the King of Hearts mula dito sa taong to. Mahal ka niya. But, kaya nga pero may pagdidesisyon dito with the Two of Spades. May mga desisyon mula dito sa taong to. So, ano yung emotion ninyo sa isa't isa? Six of Diamonds. The Joker. I want to get one more card. Ten of Diamonds. And Ace of Hearts. The Joker showing to me as I feel like gusto mo makipagtulungan, gusto mo ng partnership. Kaya lang hindi mo kayang mag-take ng risk. Takot ka. Parang takot kang tumalon, takot kang magsimula ulit. You know, yung person na to, nakikita natin yung emotions or love mula sa kanya. Kaya lang with the 10 of Diamonds, pwedeng itong person na to part sa kanya, feeling niya nag-end na yung sa inyo. But I see a lot of love dito sa taong to. This could be a person in the past. What will happen in the near future for the both of you? In the near future for the both of you. Two of Hearts is here. Four of Spades. 10 of Clover. Queen of Diamonds. Ace of Diamonds. And King of Diamonds. 9 of Hearts is here. 3 of Hearts at the bottom of the deck. 2 of Clover. I see a new beginning para sa'yo. With the King and Queen of Diamonds. Ito maganda to. Kasi it could be a money. It could be money na magbibigay ng stability to you and another person. So, I feel like there's another person na magiging involved dito. Like maybe some kind of partnership with the 2 of Hearts. The 4 of Spades, eto nagpapakita ito as stability, but a little bit stressful or nakakapagod. Because with the 10 of Clover, pwedeng may mga obligasyon. Tell me about the 10 of Clover. Yeah, the 3 of Hearts is here. I can see friendships or other people na involved. Pero, nakikita natin na pwedeng sila makatulong para mabawasan yung pagod na nararamdaman mo dito. So, in the future, there's a lot of luck, money. Maganda to, you have to manifest this. Ganun naman talaga, kailangan mo ring mapagod, kailangan mo ring pursigiduhin ang sarili mo in order for you to get success and money na gusto mo talagang makuha. But for you, it's easy. It's just that this is some kind of boost. Parang ibuboost ka nitong pangyayaring to. Whatever this new beginning is. Ibuboost ka niya, ipupursigi ka niya, ipupush ka niya para makuha mo yung money. Potential, a lot of money here na paparating para sa'yo. Yeah, so that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.